Did you know that in college you eat your meals together in a huge cafeteria? This is Skidmore's dining hall, where students eat their breakfast, lunch, and dinner together. They serve all kinds of delicious and healthy food here. So let's get ready to dance in the dining hall with Maddie and Gadria. Let's start with some breathing. In and out. Now let's flip your arms. Breathe in and out. Let's do that again. And flip your arms. Breathe in and out. Now let's pretend we're chopping up some food right on our arms. How about the other arm? Can you chop down your legs? And back up. Now let's pretend we're seasoning our food with our hands. And a leg. How about your head? And how about your arm and leg at the same time? Let's do the other side. Arm. And leg. And head. And arm and leg together. Now let's scoop across our body, like you're stirring a pot. Reach up and down. Other side. Reach up and down. Let's do it again. Last time. Now let's finish with some breathing. Breathe in and out. Flip your arms. Nice work, everyone. We hope you enjoyed dancing with us today in the Skidmore Dining Hall.